Today we will understand our new topic is the empty set. This is also from set theory. Consider the set. Set is X such that X is a student of class 11th presently studying in a school. We can go to the school and count the number of students presently studying in the class 11th in the school. Thus, a set A contains a finite number of elements. If we count anything which is available from our surrounding, so that is a countable, so that is a finite. So the set theory also tells us about whatever we can count, okay, so it will become a set. Set is a well defined collection, so that's why the here set A will be a finite number of elements. Suppose you are a student of class 11th and in your class 25 number of students are studying in your class, including you. So 25 number is a finite number. Okay, so we can say that a finite number of element in your class, because each and every student will play important role in your class, and separately everyone is a element for the set. If you want to make a set, so everyone will become a element for that, and 25 is a finite number of element for that. So let's understand. We now write another set B for the following. What is the B? B, X is that X is a student presently studying in both classes X and Y. According to set B, we observe that the student cannot study simultaneously in both the classes X and Y. Thus, a set B contains no element at all. According to B's set property, a student is studying both classes. This is not possible. Okay, no one study in 10th class and 11th class together regularly. Okay, so this is a this is not contain no element in this set B. Okay, so that will be the empty set. That is an example of empty set. Let's understand by the definition. A set which do not contain any element is called the empty set, or is called null set or void set. We can also pronounce this or tells us other name by void set or null set. So the set which doesn't contain any element is called a empty set. According to the definition, B is empty set while A is not an empty set. We have discussed two examples, set A and set B. So set A is not an empty set, but set B is called an empty set. So the empty set is denoted by the symbol phi or braces, curly braces this. So the empty set, we can denote this symbol. Most probably this is a representation of empty set, that is called a phi. Okay, let's understand the empty set with some of the examples which are given here. Number one is, let A X is that 1 less than, this sign is called less than, and X less than 2. X is a natural number. Okay, So then A is the empty set because there is no natural number between 1 and 2. According to this 1 less than x less than 2. It means x contains those elements, those natural number which are lie between 1 and 2. But if we explain the natural number 1, 2, 3, 4, these are natural number, but between 1 and 2 there is no natural number, so we can say that set A is called a empty set. Is it clear? Now let's understand the second part, x such that x square minus 2 is equal to 0 and x is a rational number. Then B is the empty set because the element x square minus 2 is equal to 0 is not satisfy any rational number value of x. So we all know the rational number. Rational number we can represent a number in the form of p by q, and where q never will be equal to 0. It means somehow if we write some example like that, 1 by 2, 5 by 3, 7 by 6, so these all type of number are called rational number. So if we explain x square minus 2 is equal to 0, so x square is equal to 2, it will go in this side and become positive, and x is equal to square root 2. Square root 2 is irrational number, not a rational number. So that's why we can say B is a empty set. Okay, this is a representation of second part. Third part, x such that x is an even prime number greater than 2. So this is also empty set. A reason because 2 is only one even prime number. Suppose if you explain the prime number, so prime number is 2, 3, 5, 7 dot dot. These are the prime number. Except 2, all prime number are odd prime number. Odd prime number. All are odd prime number, but only 2 is even prime number. So in this question, is an even prime number greater than 2? There is no greater than 2 even prime number, so this will also be a empty set. Okay, so we can also write C is equal to 5. Okay, this is a empty set. Is it clear? Or we can also write like that, C is equal to in curly braces. This is also called an empty set. So that is a total representation of empty set, if you understand. So you can do some of the examples from your side if you understand the topic. And this is for today, and we will understand some of the new topics in another day.